Hey everyone, I'm gonna make a green chili salsa, almost like a pico de gallo. I roasted these green peppers on the grill. You could see here, after I roasted them, I put them in a bowl and then I covered the bowl with saran wrap. That makes these peppers easier to peel, and you can see here, the peel comes right off. When you put the saran wrap on top, it causes condensation between the meat of the pepper and the skin, which makes it easier to peel. I'm going to chop these up, but I want to show you over here what I have ready. I have some fresh cilantro, some chopped tomatoes, some onions, and then I also added some lemon juice. So right here, after I finish peeling this, I am going to remove the seeds. So take the stem off, cut it open, and then with your knife, you can easily. So here, you can see, I'm gonna chop them into pretty small chop, and then we'll add them to the bowl. And if you have lime, you can add lime. I just didn't have any lime, so I used the lemon that I had. And then we're gonna taste the salt. We're gonna adjust the salt, and that's it. And this goes great with any Mexican dish, really, or with some good tortilla chips.